TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. We reached the closing bell, and quite a day to the upside. Quite a little acceleration we got in the final few minutes of trading there. Jumping to the S&Ps, how about 3,300 on the dot for the highs for the future market today? S&P cash up about 12 points at 3306. NASDAQ up 38 points, 10,941. The Dow up 160 points, 26,825. We'll start it off with the S&Ps. Just in the last hour and a half, you traded from 3282 up a solid 18 S&P points. We're looking at 5-minute bars here in the S&P, right at around 3,300. We're within about 100 points of all-time highs in the S&Ps. NASDAQ futures, an acceleration as well, within about 12 points of the all-time highs we had overnight. Just got above, actually, where we were this morning. NASDAQ was under 11,000, traded up almost 100 points in about the final hour and a half of trading. Gold contract, quite a day for gold, and it does not stop. Up $45 at $2,031. Silver up $1.75 at $26.17. And notes and bonds continuing the run for higher price, lower yield. The 10-year approaching a 0.4 handle, folks. We got 0.507%. That is the yield on the 10-year, up almost 15 ticks at 140.12. The 30-year up a full point and 11 ticks, 182.30. You take a look at that 10-year, you put it on a daily, and we are now far above any of the highs that we had previously, except for that one flash spike to 140.24, and we're within about 10 points of that level right now, 10 ticks, I should say, of that level right now in the 10-year note. Jumping over to the VIX, quite an acceleration to the upside in the markets. The VIX backing off a bit, lows of about 23.78 this afternoon. And after the bell, two big ones. We get Disney earnings. Disney up about 1% ahead of that. And we also get Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat charging higher into the close, up about 5.9% today, selling off a bit in the last few minutes. Both of those, we get their earnings after the bell. Some of the tech stocks jumping around. Amazon up about 0.8%. Microsoft giving back some of the gains, down about 1.5. Netflix trading higher, up 2.2%, 509.99 right now for Netflix. And we'll end it with Tesla up about 0.1 at 14.85. Stay tuned, folks. We're going to replay that show we just had with Larry, and I will be back here tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m., live programming at TFNN. Disney, Beyond Meat. Big week of earnings, folks. We'll be right back. Have a great night.